So looking at some cool things here at the National Hardware Show, and that brought me to the Insta-Fix booth. This is a two-part system that basically will bond almost anything together, and it will fill gaps. It'll do a variety of different things. Right here, he's demonstrating. He's filling holes in that, in the hinge right there, just showing how tough it is. Basically, what he does is he puts down.
No, you know what? Where's my cutters go?
He puts one of the elements down, and then he adds a second. And as soon as that second element hits it, it becomes this hard as a rock adhesive. Watch how he does it here.
One little drop, same thing. And don't worry about putting too much, but you shake a bit off. Now, as soon as I touch that, and I didn't even look at much how I missed that one. Squeeze the air out, and I can see that I missed that quite a bit.
Yeah.
And
you've only got about half of it.
it's still, but it shows you.
So it's a two-part little system, adhesive, filler. There he was showing how to fill gaps and such in the gouges in the wood, and then it can be easily painted over. We'll put a link in the description below so you guys can go check this out, but this is a really cool product that's going to find a lot of uses around the house. And again, it's a two-part system, so you add one part, and we just saw him add the second part. That's what made it so adhesive or so sticky. And yeah, it's a really kind of a cool option for those of you who want to find a way to fix things around the house. Insta-Fix at the National Hardware Show.